Have you ever felt like your romantic relationship is lacking something? Do you find yourself turning to technology more and more to communicate with your partner? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to rely on technology as a crutch, but it's important to remember that real human connection is still essential for building successful and fulfilling romantic relationships. In today's episode, we'll be discussing how technology is affecting our romantic relationships and why it's important to have face-to-face conversations. And then I'm going to leave you with 3 actionable steps that you can implement today that will allow you to have better relationships, more success, and you can elevate to great. Before I get into the importance of face-to-face conversations, please smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the tips that I release each week. The rise of technology has led to the increase of online dating, social media, and other platforms that allow us as people to connect and communicate with others. While these technologies have their benefits, they can also hinder our ability to connect with others on a deeper level. And research has shown that face-to-face communication is more effective in building trust and understanding in relationships. Without the nuances of facial expressions, body language, tone of voice, it's easy for misunderstandings to occur, which can lead to conflict and feelings of disconnect. Also, technology can be a source of distraction, leading us to neglect the important conversations and activities that are necessary for building strong, healthy relationships. Spending too much time on our phones and computers can cause us to miss out on valuable time spent with our partner and can prevent us from cultivating the kind of meaningful connections that are essential for romantic success, which leads to overall life success. So, what can you do to ensure that you are maintaining a strong face-to-face connection in your romantic relationships? Here are 3 actionable steps that you can implement starting today so you'll have a better romantic relationship, more success, and you can elevate to great. Number 1 is the first step is to be mindful of the role of technology, the role that technology is playing in your interactions with your partner. Be sure to make a conscious effort to set aside time each day to have meaningful conversations and engage in activities that allows you to connect on a deeper level. And implementing number 2, what I'm about to tell you, will definitely help you with number 1. So here's number 2. Number 2 is create a technology-free zone. Designate a specific area in your home as a technology-free zone where phones, laptops, and other devices are not allowed. This could be your dining room, your bedroom, or any other space where you spend a lot of time together. By removing distractions, you'll be able to focus on each other and enjoy quality face-to-face conversations without the interference of technology. Number 3 is schedule regular date nights. One of the easiest ways to ensure that you're spending quality face-to-face time with your partner is to schedule regular date nights. Whether it's a fancy dinner out or a cozy night in, setting aside dedicated time to focus on each other can do wonders for your relationship. It's also important to be present in the moment and fully engaged with your partner during these interactions. This means putting away our phones, like I said, and other distractions and focusing on the person in front of us. To help you get started on your journey to cultivating better romantic relationships, I do want to tell you that I've created a free checklist called Elevate and Cultivate Better Romantic Relationships Checklist. This checklist provides practical tips and suggestions for building stronger connections with your partner and improving the overall quality of your romantic relationships. So if you're ready to take it to the next level and make even more progress, I've gotten something else for you. I've also created a new workbook called Elevate and Cultivate Better Romantic Relationships Workbook. This workbook includes in-depth exercises and activities designed to help you and your partner deepen your connection and build stronger, more fulfilling relationships. So if you're ready to take the first step towards building a successful romantic relationship, download the free checklist and go ahead and get the free checklist, but also go ahead and get that workbook and start your journey to better, more fulfilling relationships that will go ahead and set the trajectory for every other area in your life. In the comments below, tell me if you found this episode helpful or have any additional insights on the topic. I really would like to hear from you, and I want you to know that your input may help others too. I invite you to check out the links in the description for discounts and use my affiliate links to some great products. Join the elevator's inbox at brianrobinsoncoaching.com for some free and valuable tips and resources sent to your inbox each week. I promise I won't spam you, and you can unsubscribe at any time. Also, check me out on Etsy for some great worksheets, workbooks, and personal development tools. My shop is called Elevate to Great, just like the podcast. There's a link in the description so you can get to that, the Etsy shop. And finally, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is Coach Brian.